Did you know the murder of one woman marked the end of the ancient world? In 415 CE, Hypatia of Alexandria was the Roman Empire's most brilliant female mathematician and philosopher. She taught at the legendary Great Library, the last beacon of classical learning in an increasingly Christian world. As a pagan intellectual, she found herself caught between two powerful men, locked in a deadly political struggle. Prefect Orestes, her devoted student, clashed openly with the ruthless Bishop Cyril for control of Alexandria. Christian leaders began calling her a witch, claiming she used demonic powers to influence the city's rulers. The tension exploded on a March morning when a mob led by Peter the Lector dragged her from her chariot. They stripped her naked in the street, then flayed her alive using broken pottery shards as makeshift knives. Finally, they burned her mutilated body to ash. With Hypatia's death, the last light of ancient wisdom was extinguished. The Dark Ages had begun,